Hello, welcome to REGEN-I, South Korea. We deal with many kinds of BGA Rework stations, like the premium model BGA 510, this model. It has monitor and camera and automatic suction, and walking is by stepping motor. Can move. Ooh. And this is a BGA 410. So we usually, for the top premium model, is I510, and second premium model is I410. And this model, IR type, infrared to hit the bottom of the PCB, and the upper heater is by hot air, but the temperature is lower than 270, and this is for the TV, and this model is for the smartphone only for the smartphone. And you see, this is kind of PCB fixture frame. You see the PCB is big, so you have to loosen the screws. You see the so at this groove you can fix, and this screw also the loosen and tight. And this is for the small frame when you try to prevent the bend of the PCB downward or topward. If it get hit, it can deform, so we use this kind of bottom frame or upper nozzle. We put some lag, and from the top we push this part, and when the chip detached, you see the detached soldered, and it must be dressed. So for the valuable chip, you have to use the reballing tool. There are various kinds of nozzles included when you purchase the BGA Rework Stations. See, this is just right when you turn on the system. You see the main power is at this. Okay, and this is for the storage box for the smartphone. You see, there are various smartphones, and there are outlets. There are chargers at the same time, up to 5 pieces. If you place the charger at the corner, and 5 pieces, totally 10, 20, 30, more than 30 pieces of smartphone can be charged, and you can store with the password. Okay, and this is for smartphone dryer for pre-baking, or if you want to replace the LCD of the smartphone. You turn on the main power and click the button. Okay. The factory test setting is 80 Celsius degrees in 5 minutes. It means temperature increase to the 80 Celsius degrees. It will maintain for 5 minutes. And there are blue button is for the conservation of heat. You open the door, the light turns on, and there are thermocouple to measure the temperature, and you place the smartphone like this one. You must uncover it. Yeah. If we suppose we just detach the outer cover and just put the smartphone like this. For example, if you try to detach, and if we suppose there are cracks on the LCD, you attach the Kapton tape to withstand the high temperature, like 80 Celsius. You just place the smartphone and then place it again, and then close door, then yeah, light turns off, and then you click the red button, then it starts. And if you click the blue button, it can maintain the lowest limit temperature of 50 Celsius degrees. So from 50 Celsius degrees you can reheat other devices. So this button is to save the heating time, you see. And this model is only for the smartphone, and this model is for the tablet and the smartphone. You see the size is much bigger. You see the size is much bigger, and the heating type is air convection. There is a fan, and for the even temperature distribution there are air convection, and actually this plastic absorbs the internal heat. So when you measure with your thermocouple, when there is no smartphone and when there is smartphone, the measured temperature is different. Okay, and if you turn on and you place the, I don't know whether it can be melted or I don't know. Maybe I have to turn off. Oops. Okay, I will turn off my Note 3 and yeah, and just if you place this smartphone here, close door, and if you click the green button, you see the light, it will sterilize the smartphone. Okay, if you click again, it will stop. If you click red button, it will heat up the smartphone. If you click again, it will stop. If you click blue button, it will maintain the lowest temperature of 50. Click again, stop. Okay, simple, very easy to use. This is RG210 only for the smartphone, and when you heat up the smartphone, you use glass observer to detach the LCD. And this is this colorful soldering mats, but now we only produce this this green colored soldering mat, because this is made with the strong silicone material, can withstand the soldering iron and something else. It can withstand high temperature of soldering iron and solder. You see these lines anti-ESD, and it also has some holes, you see, and we include this okay, this, so you can connect the anti-ESD electrical line we include together. And you see the compartments, you press the disassembly screws for magnetization, because we also include the neodymium magnets like this one. So if you place the screws and this, then the screws magnetize it, and they are easily attached on the screwdriver. Good soldering it. And we also deal with various reballing tool. You see, there are various metal masks because there are many kinds of chips from the PCB, and according to different chip, you have to make a metal mask. Okay, and we can make metal mask if you send us specification of a chip drawing, and based on drawing, we know what size the soldering board is, what size the chip is, and the solder type also. Then it's very useful for the reballing. You see, the type is all different, and you see, yeah. For example, this iron mask, and now it is not connected with the screws, but actually it is. There is no homes. Okay, if you with both ends. Oh, somebody may help. If you push the both hands, then you can easily detach it, and you can easily detach. And these two parts are connected with magnets. You see, when you slide it, you can easily detach because they are, you see, they are neodymium magnets on 4 corners, and this one also, so it can strongly, okay, you see. So when you attach it, you have to be careful. You have to be very careful. Slide it. Slide them to connect. Very carefully. Very carefully. Okay. Place the metal mask, and then okay. And then you carefully place the chip on the reballing tool. If you loosen, you can make the space. Okay, and then you just supposing that we place the chip on the center, and then we place the upper part. Then you pour the soldering board. Soldering board. There are 0.7mm and 0.6. Okay, you pour the solder boards, and through this groove you can blow down. Not require solder boards. And then you place the chips on the BGA Rework, and you heat up by not this one. You just carefully place the chip, because and then also because there are magnets, it can strongly attach on the metal. Okay. You see, there are magnets. Yeah. So you also have NTSD tweezers, and for the accurate dosage of the liquid from this bottle, and this is squeezed for the applying flux, and brush to apply the flux. This one is flux. You always require the flux to apply before desoldering or soldering chips. And this suitcase is also for the data retrieval device or reballing tool also. Now I close the lid on the soldering